Hey everyone, I'm Carl with CenturionPro. Today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing of our GC1 bucker model. The CenturionPro GC bucker is the world's first and only dry bucking machine, but it'll also work on both wet and dry product. The GC is an operator-run de-stemming machine. GC refers to gentle cut, and it requires the operator to gently feed the stem into the machine. Similar to scissors, this bucker model will cut the flowers off the stem, as opposed to the traditional bucking machine that pulls the stem and pops the flowers off. This cutting action also prevents the crown buds from breaking apart, thereby keeping the complete structure of your bud intact and preserving the look of your flower. Without further ado, let's get to it. We just covered the unboxing and assembly of your GC1 bucker. Now, it's important to go onto our website and register your warranty within 30 days of purchase. If you have any questions related to unboxing and assembly that we didn't cover in this video, please email us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at your GC bucker, including its main components and electrical requirements. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and happy harvest!